The best home remedy for dogs' gum disease.
Hello everybody, this is Molly. Say hello, Molly. And Molly's got gum disease or gum infection. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to treat your dog with gum disease, gum infection, really bad breath. The dogs have got it worse than us humans because we've got more awareness of what's going on in our mouths. We can use toothbrushes, we can use a mouthwash, we can be careful what we're eating, we can pick stuff out from between the teeth. The dog can't do that. So usually the first thing you know that your dog's got a gum disease is when you see the gum swollen or red, or sometimes you'll see the gums receding, or the dog's going to have difficulty in eating. And very often the dog's got a terrible bad breath because you can smell the infection. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to treat. Now, normally people go to the vet and the vet will have a look in the mouth. Molly's got a piece of meat, a meaty chunk in here. Let go of it. Anyway, they go to the vet. Yeah, that's right. You eat it. Yeah, that's right. The vet will have a look in and say, yeah, I'll give you some antibiotics. But the problem with antibiotics, they will destroy your dog's digestive system. I'll say that again. Antibiotics will destroy your dog's digestive system. So just as around the world now they're trying to reduce the amount of usage of antibiotics for humans, we really must try to reduce the amount of antibiotics for dogs. So the first thing you need to do is find a way of killing the bacteria in your dog's mouth without using antibiotics, and this is how you do it. Now, I've been helping and treating people with gum infection since 1992. This formula here, I don't know if you can see that on the screen, Gum Doctor it's called, Gum Doctor. It's a mixture of organic plant extracts. There's no chemicals in it at all. It's organic plant extracts and it kills the bacteria on contact. All you do, you put a couple of drops like that, just literally a couple of drops onto your fingers and you massage it into your gums. Now it's very, very powerful, and I'll tell you what's in it. You know the Roman soldiers, the Roman Empire, every soldier had to carry a sword and a shield, and they also had to carry, as part of their uniform, a pouch of myrrh resin. Myrrh. You know, like when baby Jesus was born, they gave him gold, frankincense and myrrh. The reason they gave myrrh is it was because it was the most powerful antibiotic known in nature. Myrrh. And that's what's in this remedy. Myrrh. So if a soldier got injured, he got maybe with a sword wound, they were going to die. Because in the old days, no antibiotics, no chemicals, no surgeon. So they put myrrh into the wound and it kills off the bacteria. And it greatly, it saved millions of lives, the use of myrrh. And it still does in Africa today. So we've got organic myrrh in that product. I'm going to show you now how easy it is. Now, I will say that myrrh tastes bitter. Now, for the humans, we've put inside it a mint oil, a type of mint, to sweeten the taste, and it's fine. As you can see, I can feel it in my mouth, but that's about it. It kills off all the bacteria. Now, Molly's had this 1,000 times before. She knows what's coming, and she doesn't like it. So, you get it like that. It's on the end of my finger, and I massage it into the gums. Can you see that? Molly, get on. You're on video, Molly. This is your chance to be famous. Come on. So you just get your dog and you find wherever the gum infection is and you keep putting the Gum Doctor onto your fingers and massage it in. All the way around, work both sides, and then also on the inside of the teeth. Open your mouth, Molly, little girl. Open your mouth. Yeah, clever little girl. Have a look inside the mouth, wherever you see the red or puffed up or swollen gums, put a couple of drops on your finger and massage it in. Don't worry if you can't get it exactly where it is, because the dog's going to start going like this, because it doesn't like the taste of it, and it's going to spread it around the mouth. Now what I want you to do is to use it 3 times a day. Now it doesn't matter whether people call it gingivitis, periodontitis, periodontal disease, gum disease, receding gums. As far as Mother Nature is concerned, your dog's mouth is a perfect breeding ground for bacteria. It's warm, it's moist, it's dark, and there's loads of food. Okay. So use the Gum Doctor formula for your pet. Now, we've helped hundreds of thousands of men, women and children with gum disease. And it does work. It's not poisonous for your dog. So there's a link below this video. Click the link to read some more, and then we'll get it sent out to you urgently. Inside the package, when you get it, there'll be the Gum Doctor formula. There'll be a bit of health and safety information and a few other bits and bobs. But we'll get it sent out to you straight away. It does work. It's guaranteed to work. If you're not happy, you get a money back guarantee. But Molly likes it. Well, she doesn't enjoy it, but it does stop the gum disease, doesn't it, Molly, eh? So wave goodbye. Say thank you to the... There you go. So Gum Doctor works for humans and it works for dogs. Okay? Bye for now.